How to fix MyGP app not working on your Android. So if you want to fix MyGP app not working on your Android, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After having the internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you can go with search. Under search, you need to search for MyGP. And here, if you have any updates, you need to just simply go and update the application. After updating, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your App Store or just simply go with your settings. Under settings, you need to go with search, which is on the top right. And here you need to search for MyGP app, or you can also go with the apps section. Tap on apps or just scroll down here and then go with apps. Now here you need to go with see all apps and you need to find MyGP app. Once you find MyGP app, you need to just simply tap on that MyGP application. After that, you need to scroll down, go with storage and cache, and under storage and cache, you can go with clear cache. In my case, I don't have MyGP application, but you need to just go and tap on MyGP and then you need to clear the cache of that MyGP. After clearing the cache, your problem will be fixed. Or if that still doesn't, then you need to just go and restart your device. After restarting, the problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix MyGP app not working on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.